Hello everyone, this is Elsie, and we're back to another reaction. We're gonna be reacting once more for Jong Madaliday. Yeah, this is his final entry to the class 2025. Yeah, and he's gonna do a cover on the song Dancing on My Own by Callum Scott. So let's all watch this guy. Let's all see how Jong Madaliday do his cover on this song. So come on guys, let's all watch this. Here we go. Oh. Galing, ang linis. Wow. Unique ang boses niya talaga, no? I keep dancing on my own. Oh, wow. Yeah, gusto ko sa kanya is very powerful. At ang clarity ng boses, ang galing, ang linis. Oh, wow. Nice. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Nice. Nice. Oh, wow. As always, ang galing niya, no? Yeah, effortlessly singing the song, but the performance is so powerful, no? Yeah, at unique talaga sa ganda ang boses niya. And the clarity of his voice is plus factor sa quality ng kanta. Especially that the song is in English. And the accent is so good na naiintindihan lahat ang mga sinasabi niya. Kaya ang story ng kanta is nairilin na ibabahagi niya, na i-connect niya sa mga tao. Ang emotion ng kanta. Ang galing niya, very nice voice, unique. Ang ganda ng boses at ang enunciation ng klaro, very clean. And nakita ko sa YouTube, nanalo siya. Iyon ang una kong napanood bago itong reaction na to. So I know na siya ang grand champion. And congratulations kasi deserve naman niya ang manalo talaga. Dahil sa galing niya. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.